In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time data from Firebase to your web application. We'll do this right from the Firebase console by exporting your real-time database as a clean JSON snapshot you can use in your project for debugging or for sharing consistent data across environments. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and signing in. Choose the project that contains the data you want. It helps to double check you're in the correct environment, like development or production, before proceeding, since you're about to work with live data. On the left sidebar, look for the Build section. This is where Firebase groups the tools you use to create and manage your app's backend services. Within Build, select Real-Time Database. Be sure you're choosing Real-Time Database, not Firestore. They are different products with different consoles. You should already have a real-time database set up in this project, and you'll land on its overview. Next, open the Data tab. This view displays your database content as a hierarchical tree that mirrors how your app reads and writes data. It's a great place to quickly verify structure, keys, and values. If you only need a portion of the data, you can navigate to that node in the tree before exporting. The console will export exactly what's under the node you're viewing. Now look for the three vertical dots in the data panel. That overflow menu holds actions specific to the data you're looking at. Click it to reveal options for working with your database content. Choose Export JSON. Your browser will download a .json file containing a snapshot of the current data at the selected node. This file preserves the exact structure of your real-time database, making it easy to see to local environment, create fixtures for tests, or share a reproducible dataset with teammates. Keep in mind this is a point-in-time export. It won't continue updating in real time. For continuous syncing, you'd use client listeners in your application code, while this export is best for snapshots and migrations. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions in the project to access and export data. Treat the JSON file as sensitive if it includes user information. Store it securely and avoid committing it to public repositories. If your database is large, the download may take a moment, and exporting from a specific subtree can keep the file focused and lightweight. That's it. You opened the Firebase console, went to Build, selected Real-Time Database, navigated to Data, used the three-dot menu, and exported JSON. You now have a reliable snapshot you can integrate into your web application workflow.